Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the web design prototype. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, this URL. It is loaded here. Okay. At the end of this video, you should be able to create something that looks like this. Okay. And we are going to create some different layers, grouping of layers to organize our media elements that we're going to create. Okay. All right, this is where we stopped. Let me close all the extra stuff. This is where we stopped, the index.psd file. It is in the C10 web design, this subfolder, and this is the file size right now. Okay. Before we move on, we are going to create a couple of groups here. Let us close the libraries. I don't really need the libraries, so I double click on it to close it. Under Artboard, we are going to create a new group. Oops, sorry. Should be inside Artboard. Okay, we're going to create a couple of new groups, which are all empty. Let's create 5 groups. Okay. The first one, I'm going to call it curtain. It's something we are going to create later. Second one, double click on it, content. Third one, double click to change name. Double click. Title and top navigation. Double click on the word and change to background. Okay, now we are going to add something to the background. Okay, and we probably need an info window. So let's bring out the info window here. All right, so we are ready to go. We are going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and the fill of the rectangle will be the same as our foreground color, which is the color of the background of the canvas. Okay, you can key in or you can use eyedropper to just select it. So this is the latest selection that we have done. Okay, and we do not want any stroke, so there's no stroke. Okay, so you are correct. We are drawing a invisible rectangle. So let's do that. So we start from here. And we end here. As you can see, the width is 980 and the height is 110. That is correct. W is 980, H is 110. Released. We draw an invisible rectangle here. Okay, but we want to create some effect, some kind of bevel effect. So when we are still selecting the rectangle one is in background. We choose this, and we are going to create a bevel. Okay, and size of the bevel is 2, soften is 3. Do not use global light, no global lighting, and make sure the light comes from top, so it's 90 degrees. Okay, if you want, you can change the depth a little bit to make it not so hard. Make sure maybe it's 72%. Okay, and then you say okay. Make sure the global light is not chosen. If it's chosen, next time you change something else, this thing will change as well. You don't like that, okay? So don't check this. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So you go to View, Show, Guides. Okay, it's gone. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. because you're still selecting the rectangle, so it kind of looks weird. So if you use the move tool, you actually can see the bevel effect. Okay, it's like light is coming from 90 degrees from the top, so that looks pretty good. Save your work. We're going to draw the one below here. Let's go to View, Show, Guys. So we are going to draw something below. Okay, same thing. Rectangle, fill is the same as the background, no stroke. We are going to go from here to here. Covers the whole thing. Make sure the width is 980 and height is I think height 48 should be fine. If not, we can adjust it later. Okay, so we have a rectangle 2. All right, and we are going to use the same effect, so I don't want to recreate the effect, so I'm going to use the move tool and press the alternate key to drag. Okay, alternate left click to drag. So we drag the effect here, or press the alternate key, and just copy the effect from rectangle 1 to rectangle 2. If you double click on the effect, you will realize that make sure you choose bevel. Okay, you will see that the things are the same: 72, 23, 90, and no global light. Okay. Okay. So if you go to View, Show, Guys, you will realize that this thing is probably we missed by 2 pixels. Probably should be 50. Okay. So I can simply or because we are only using this for reference, so what I can do is I can simply move this down, select it, and move this down 2 pixels. That will cover everything. Press the down arrow 2 times. Okay, and not the best thing to do, but alternatively, you can change to 50 here. Okay, I think that's better. Change it to 50 is better than, you know, moving it down 2 pixels. Okay, that's a good place to stop for this video. Let me go to fit screen and zoom fit screen, and then turn on the guides. Okay, I think that's a good place to stop. Do a file save, and in the next video we are actually going to put some more stuff inside. Okay, like the logos and the titles or the banner or something like that. Thanks for watching.